In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML to Confluence pages. If you've ever wanted to show clean, readable HTML inside a Confluence page without it executing, this is the safest and most reliable way to do it using the built-in code snippet block. First, open Confluence in your browser and head to the space where your content lives. Sign in if you're prompted and navigate to the page where you want the HTML to appear. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can make changes to the page content. Place your cursor exactly where you want the HTML block to go. Now type the /, then the word code. As you type, Confluence's quick insert menu will appear and filter results. You're looking for the option called code snippet. This is the standard macro for displaying code with syntax highlighting. Click code snippet to insert it into the page. You'll see a new block with a language dropdown, a large code area, and a few formatting options depending on your editor version. This block is where you'll paste or type your HTML. Open the language dropdown in the code block and choose HTML. Selecting the correct language is important because it gives you proper syntax highlighting with tags, attributes, and values colored in a way that makes the code easier to scan and review. With HTML selected, paste your HTML into the block or start typing it directly. A couple of tips to keep things neat. Keep indentation consistent so nested elements are easy to follow, and consider short comments to separate sections if your snippet is long. If you see options like line numbers or wrap lines, enable them if they make your code more readable for your audience. You can also position the block by dragging it above or below other content to fit the flow of your page. One important note, this method displays HTML as code only. It will not render or run the HTML on the page. If your goal is to embed or execute HTML, you'll need an approved macro or an appwat from the marketplace, which typically requires admin permissions, so check with your site administrator. And that's all there is to it. You've added HTML to your Confluence page using the code snippet block, keeping your code clear, formatted, and safe for teammates to review. When you're done, continue editing the rest of your content or move on to your next section. Thanks for watching and happy documenting.